In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund on Shopify. Issuing a refund can be a straightforward process, and understanding each step can help make it efficient and stress-free for both you and your customer. Let's dive right in. To begin, head over to your Shopify admin panel. Once you're there, navigate to the order section. This is where you'll find a complete list of all the orders placed in your shop. Take a moment to locate the specific order that requires a refund. This step is crucial, as ensuring you're dealing with the correct order will prevent any unnecessary mix-ups or errors. Once you've identified the right order, click on it to open up all its details. Now, look for the refund button and give it a click. This is your gateway to managing the refund process for this particular order. You're now in the refund details section. Here, you have the flexibility to choose exactly how you'd like to proceed with the refund. If you're looking to refund individual items, simply adjust the quantities accordingly. This feature is quite handy if, say, only one part of a larger order is being returned. Alternatively, you might decide to refund a specific dollar amount, allowing for more tailored customer service. Should the situation call for it, you also have the option to refund the shipping fees. To do this, enter the relevant amount in the designated refund shipping field. This can be especially important in cases where shipping played a factor in the customer's decision to return their purchase. Now, let's explore some optional actions that could enhance the refund process. If your store tracks inventory, you have the option to restock the refunded items. This is beneficial for maintaining accurate stock levels and ensuring your inventory is up to date. Additionally, you might want to inform your customer about the refund process. Shopify allows you to send a refund notification to the customer, keeping them updated and enhancing their overall experience with your store. With all these details set, it's time to finalize everything. Carefully review all the information you've entered to ensure accuracy. When you're ready, click the refund button to process the refund. It's a simple action, but it completes the transaction, giving both you and your customer a sense of closure. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to issuing a refund on Shopify. Understanding this process thoroughly not only aids in smooth transactions, but also contributes to customer satisfaction and trust in your brand. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.